Large enough. Introducing the latest in AI innovation. Mistral Large 2, pushing the limits of cost efficiency, speed, and performance. This advanced model is now available on La platform that is capable of code generation, mathematics, and reasoning. Mistral Large 2 boasts a 128K context window, supporting numerous languages such as French, German, Spanish, and more. It also supports over 80 coding languages, including Python, Java, and C++. Mistral Large 2 with 123 billion parameters, it runs efficiently on a single node, ensuring maximum throughput. When it comes to performance, Mistral Large 2 stands out. It significantly outperforms the Llama 3.17b model in code generation, and excels in comparisons with various Llama 3.1 models and ChatGPT 4. Notably, it performs exceptionally well in Java. In terms of mathematical capabilities, Mistral Large 2 again surpasses the Llama 3.17b model by a wide margin. In terms of multilingual capabilities, Mistral Large 2 delivers strong performance. However, the Llama 3.1405b model offers slightly higher performance in this area. If we compare accuracy percentages of various models across 4 benchmarks, Mistral Large 2 consistently performs at the top, demonstrating superior accuracy across all benchmarks, while GPT-4 also shows high accuracy. Before exploring more about Mistral Large 2, let me introduce you to a website where you can find the best AI tools. Welcome to leaveit2ai.com, your ultimate destination for discovering the perfect tool instantly. Whether you're a data scientist, video editor, social media manager, graphic designer, and more, leaveit2ai.com is designed just for you. If you're enjoying our video, please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, leaveit2ai. Mistral Large 2 excels in instruction following and handling multi-turn conversations. It performs exceptionally on benchmarks like MT-Bench and Wild Bench, ensuring precise and concise interactions. Enhanced with advanced function calling and retrieval skills, Mistral Large 2 serves as a powerful engine for complex business applications, executing both parallel and sequential function calls proficiently. In partnership with top cloud providers, Mistral Large 2 is now available globally. Mistral models are accessible via Google Cloud's Vertex AI, Azure AI Studio, Amazon Bedrock, and IBM watsonx.ai. Try Mistral Large 2 today on La Mistral Large website. It's also available for testing on Hugging Face. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest AI releases. For more content, check the link to our previous video in the description. Thank you for watching.